the old school, Kaya Primary School. This is what we found when we came here in 2005. There are about 100 children in the school. And then in 2005, we decided to put up a new building here, as you can see, with the support of funds from the people of Sweden and other well-wishers. Right now the school has about 250 to 300 students, and it is growing, as you can see. Last year we managed to get some uniforms for the children, people in blue and yellow, and we are yet to get uniforms for the rest. And because of the growing numbers of the children, we want to put up a new building here. We want to raise more money to see that we can put up a new building so that we can decongest the classes.